Recently, I went on a trail run with one of my friends and everything was going great until, boom, I rolled my ankle on a tree root. And that sucker swelled up faster than Small's eye in Sandlot. Went to the doctor, got an x-ray, hairline fracture on the fibula. Now I'm stuck with this and these. Oh, hell no. And my first thought was, how am I gonna mow my lawn? Neighbors to the rescue, baby. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. So given my current condition, my neighbors offered to help mow my lawn. But in this small section of my lawn, I would like to see who could actually stripe it the best. We're gonna turn this into a little neighborly competition. Here's how this battle royale is gonna go down. Each competitor will mow a designated section of my lawn. They will have approximately 6 to 8 lanes to stripe if they go vertically. They can choose a stripe pattern however they see fit. So if they wanted to go diagonally, for example, they could, but they will only have 15 minutes to complete their section. Once time runs out, that's it, they're done. Every competitor will be using the Honda HRN 216 VKA with the lawn striper in tow. I just sharpened the blades and the height adjusters are set to 3 inches. But here's the catch. I won't know which section they each mowed. While they're out back mowing, I'll be downstairs in my basement so I can't see a single thing going on. When they tell me they're done, I'll come back out and assess the situation. And then I'll have to figure out who striped each individual area. That is going to be difficult. Now here's where it gets good. If I guess their section correctly, they will win a free lawn striping by me when my ankle gets better in a few weeks. If I guess nobody's section correctly, I have to make them all dinner. In that case, I'll be making my world famous stir fry, which actually tied a local chef in a cook-off for best tasting stir fry. I'm 100% serious here, not trying to toot my own horn. I'm just saying, they're getting some really good food. Now you might say, if the garage gal wins, that's not really a prize. Well, she already said I have to take her out for ice cream. I'll also be deciding who striped my lawn the best. If they win, I have to make them one of my homemade pizzas. Here are the contenders. First up, the Garage Gal. 10 years of mowing experience and has starred in numerous Garage Gear videos over the past 4 years. All right, Garage Gal, thank you very much for being part of this competition today. How's your confidence level?
Great.
Do you got a good strategy in mind?
Of course I do.
What's the strategy?
I'm gonna win.
You're not gonna share with me?
It's a secret.
Who do you think your biggest competition is right now?
Christina.
And why is that?
Because Herm doesn't have a chance.
Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you out on the turf.
I can't wait.
Next up is my neighbor Christina. 8 years of mowing experience and has multiple years of working in the farm and agricultural industry. I've seen her stripes pointed right at my lawn before. Was she threatening me? And she's definitely a top player in the game. All right, so Christina, how you feeling today?
Feeling great.
You're confident?
I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you for being part of this competition, but you were actually the one that came up with this whole idea. What inspired you to come up with this?
I mean, I figured broken ankle, we gotta make content somehow.
That's awesome. I appreciate the help. Who do you think your biggest competition is right now?
Oh, Heather, for sure.
Not Brian?
No.
Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be one heated competition. Last up is Brian. You may actually recognize him from a few videos in the past. He has 20 years of mowing experience, and he's the king of edging on his corner. All right, so Brian, first off, thank you very much for being part of this competition. How you feeling today?
Okay.
Do you think you got this in the bag?
Easily.
And why do you say easily?
Because look who I'm going against.
You got the 2 ladies staring you down right now.
They always stare at me.
Do you have a few tricks up your sleeve that you're planning to use today to achieve a win?
Not really. Just cut grass.
Let's do that again. So do you have any tricks up your sleeve today that you're gonna use to your advantage to help achieve a win?
Nope, just knowledge of the grass.
3 top players in the game with plenty of skills and knowledge to completely blow this competition out of the water. Now here are a couple of hints that I gave to everybody. So here's a hint for everybody here today. The more you go over your stripes, the more pronounced they become. So ladies, you like diamonds, right? Cut, color, and clarity are kind of in relation to stripes. The more you go over them, the more colorful they become, the more clear they become, and the more defined they become. All right?
Okay.
All right, and so also another big factor is sunlight. Right now we got a little bit of overcast going on, so that could affect how bright the stripes look, but we will see as this competition goes on. So use sunlight to your advantage, everybody.
I'm not stretching for this. You guys.
You just hurt your back the other day, you need it.
No, I'm good.
How about we just stretch and Herm doesn't get in that shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just watch me, Jared, just shaking my head.
So there'll be no cheating on my end. I'm heading down to my basement where I can't see a single thing going on. And so there's no cheating going on with the YouTube algorithm. Would you mind taking a super quick second to hit that like button? Thank you. Okay, so here I am in the basement, and I can tell you right now that this is absolutely killing me. I think I can trust him with my lawn. I can faintly hear the mower outside. Wait, it just stopped. I'm freaking out right now. What if Brian puts ethanol fuel in my mower? Are their lines gonna be straight? Christina might steal my mower.
What type of pizza do you want when we win?
I was thinking cheese with sweet peppers.
Ooh, that sounds good. And maybe we can do cheese in the crust.
I like that idea.
Looking forward to it.
We can't wait to win.
Garage gal just called me and said that they're all done. Let's go check it out. All right, I'm walking up right now. It's looking pretty good. Figures I'm trying to film a video and the neighbor has to start mowing his lawn to get in on the competition. The neighbor is seriously double cutting right now. You guys think you got me fooled or what?
Oh yeah.
We'll see.
I don't know, I think I got one of them down for sure. This is so difficult to determine right now. It's next to impossible to determine which person did what. It's so close. But I like how this person did the double wide stripes. They went for the wider look. It almost makes it more look like a commercial mower hit the lawn. The stripes are pressed pretty nice. We got nice whites, nice dark greens. Looks pretty good over here. This one here in the middle, I think nailed the straight lines. They only did singles, but they're perfect. This one is really good. Bright whites and the dark greens really show off nicely here. Let's move on to the next. Now this last section's a little tricky because you have the shade coming down from the tree, but this one seems to have a little bit lighter whites, but all in all, it's still straight lines, which is really nice. All right, so this one, back to the double wides, is the first section I looked at. I'm gonna say Brian. Yeah! I got it right!
Did you know it was Brian because of the double wides?
It was a double wide. I knew it was Brian because of the double wides. I've seen him do it before, so I had a feeling. This one's difficult because they're almost the same, and I don't have a giveaway like the double wides over there, but I know that Heather likes to mow fast, and Christina takes her time. So I'm wondering, did that play out here? So I'm gonna say here, for this middle section, I'm gonna say Christina. No! Oh my gosh! Let's give it up for Heather, guys, on that one. So then that leaves Christina with the last one. For the best stripes, I'm gonna say this middle one because the lines are straight, bright white, and dark green.
Wow!
Garage gal took it. There we go. Herman, awesome job. Great job, Christina. Garage gal, great work. Big shout out to the garage gal, Christina, and Brian for helping take care of my lawn. I am truly surrounded by some amazing people. This competition was a lot of fun and we'll definitely have to do this again. So here I am editing this video out and I just had to chime in here. I was looking back at all the footage of each of them mowing their individual sections, and Christina did something crazy. Check this out. She did a mega stripe into my lawn. She did one giant white stripe and then one giant dark stripe. Oh my gosh. Why didn't she keep that? Had I seen that when I came out, I probably would have burst out laughing. That is awesome. True story, a friend and I were actually joking about mowing one massive stripe into our lawn, and here is Christina actually doing it for me. That is a great stripe. That is epic. At some point, she decided to switch gears and go into singles. Would she have won if she kept it? Well, different is better than better, right? Made me giggle. Wow, Christina, great job. Wait, I got an idea. What if when my ankle is better, I mow a mega stripe into her front lawn? One big right down the middle while she's at work. Tell you what, we're gonna let the subscribers decide. Down in the comments below, right, I dare you, JB, if you want me to mow a mega stripe into her lawn. If I get enough dares, I'll do it. For more cool garage gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.